guys, and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna customize pajamas. And I guess this is gonna be the most strange video on my channel. Or maybe it won't. Like, who in this world will think to customize their pajamas? Well, I want to spend Christmas morning wearing beautiful hand-painted pajamas, so why not? And especially for this video, I bought these beautiful white pajamas and I'm gonna paint on it something Christmas related. Something to get in this Christmas mood, you know. And it's gonna be the most art fashionable Christmas I've ever had. So, let's get started! Okay, I just made thumbnail using female mannequin because these are women's pajamas, but I'm gonna put pajamas back on male mannequin and I'm gonna paint on the male mannequin. It's hard to paint on female because of, you know, these curves. So yeah, now I'm gonna put it back on and then I'm gonna sketch design. Okay, sketching part is finished, and as you can see I painted deer and 3 birds, cardinal birds it will be, and I tried to create here effect of motion, and this part will be motionless. I will probably just write something here, maybe some quote Christmas related, and yeah, now I'm gonna paint deer and birds in detail. singer. I just want you to feel this Christmas mood I'm in now. You know, I was listening all these Christmas songs while I was painting this design. And yeah, this part of design is finished. And I love it, it's so cute. And now I'm gonna write a quote here on the pocket. And then you will see the final result. Guys, I'm ready for Christmas and my mannequin is ready too. And I wore different pants to create more cozy look, and I have even Christmas socks. And you know, sometimes the result of crazy idea, like to paint your pajamas, can be pretty amazing. I love it. And also guys, I won't be able to wish you happy holidays later because I don't have community tab here. My channel hasn't reached 1,000 subscribers yet. So I want to do it now. I want to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I want to wish you all the beautiful, bright things in your life. And thank you guys for supporting my channel. I really appreciate your support. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.